Welcome back to Millennial Thermom. Today I'm going to be breaking down my care caddy. As I've mentioned before, this used to be the caddy that I had all my pumping and breastfeeding stuff in, but since I'm no longer doing any of that, I wanted to show y'all how I made a caddy that helped me be more aware and intentional about my habits for wellness. So I'm going to be breaking that down now. So the first thing that I suggest is identifying some books that you want to be more intentional about reading this season. So I'm going to be showing you some of the ones that are in my caddy. How money works, because I think we all need to learn a little bit more about finances, and it's a good reminder. The Mindful Self-Compassion Workbook. I know it kind of blurs in the back, but I'll be linking all of these things too. This one is Power Moves by Sarah Jakes Roberts. That's my girl. And of course, Atomic Habits, which I've talked about in reference in this video, and this little pouch thing here. I also have Listening When Parts Speak. I don't read this one as often, but it is there just in case I'm feeling in the mood to do some reflection and some journaling. My Bible, even though to be honest, I use the app a little bit more than the actual physical, but sometimes it's nice to open it. And then I have these little tabs in here too, so that whenever I want to note something in there, I can quickly just plop it on it. Plop it on. In the next section, I just have some random little activities that, again, if I'm feeling like in the mood to do it, I will. I have my little knitting because I'm not a pro, but it's fun, it's relaxing. I read that Michelle Obama knits and I feel that. Some pencils and markers because sometimes it's fun to just add some color to whatever you're doing. Mindfulness cards deck. Just take one out. Some snacks because it's necessary. More snacks. And a little fidget cube that actually my daughter really likes it too, but it's not baby friendly. So that's some of the funnish stuff. And then the last section here is my Kindle, because I do have a little like organizing system that I use that's in here and has some of my audiobooks too. Has my Netflix, etc. I have my journal. This is something that I just reflect on what I'm going through personally, where I do my Bible study and any other type of reflections. And then you'll have seen this. This is my favorite little just brain dump, reflect, task, prioritize, etc. journal. Around the edge, I just have some like sticky notes. Again, these that I mentioned. I have some pencils. Look what I found. Milk Flow supports breast milk supply. This is how you could tell this used to be a pumping caddy. I don't drink these anymore, but if I ever feel like it, it's there. So I hope that that gave you a little bit of inspo to, even if you're still breastfeeding or pumping, I'll link the caddy that I use because I like it. But even putting a few things in there alongside your pump or nipple cream or whatever else you have in there. And if you're not feeding your baby in that way anymore, you can start filling it up with things that make you happy, that bring wellness to you, that make your preferred habits more visible. As always, if you want to connect, make sure to follow and subscribe at Millennial Thermom. Visit Connect with Jay Lee to see what else I got going on, including therapy, a mom community, and an events. So I hope you all take care and